Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I put a lot of focus into the live stream, which should be either happening still or just finishing up. So if you guys are seeing that the live stream is still going or just want to catch the replay, seriously, catch that replay. It is a serious deep dive into whether or not Doordash is even necessary anymore. And quite frankly, I am excited to have that conversation. But more importantly than that, I wanted to talk about something that I feel like has been on my chest lately. And I feel like I need to address this with my audience. I feel like this should be common sense for a lot of people. But it doesn't mean I shouldn't address it, especially since I'm getting emails about it. So way back at the end of January, I received an email from one of my subscribers. I'm not going to name him this time because I feel like this is going to be a little critical. But he's asking me about how to get reactivated on Shipped. Now, the way I got reactivated on Shipped was I called and I asked them to reactivate me because I was just an inactive user on the platform, and quite frankly, I had the opportunity to do that. That's not always the case, though. I feel like a lot of people think of Driven Wyld as like a replacement for driver support or replacement to getting in contact with the company. And yeah, there are some things that you should hear from another driver about so that way you could work around the system. Like on Deliver That, they released a new app, but there are a lot of people that find that if you still have the legacy app and you have the new app itself, it actually works out better for you. Some people don't even use Deliver That's new app, but there's going to be some things you learn because you experience them. So if you're watching my channel and you're wondering how to figure something out because you're not experiencing it for yourself or you're not figuring it out for yourself, by all means, please do the research and figure out a way to do it. Because quite frankly, I've had to fight over and over again just to figure out the right verbiage, who do I talk to with a lot of these support teams and companies. Doordash is notorious for that. Uber's notorious for that. With all of these chat support agents, I'll talk about my stories. But again, those are my stories. Are you going to tell your story? Are you going to figure out the best ways to do things for yourself? I don't just do this for my own health, you know. I'm doing this to help people. But I'm also like, I don't know everything. Quite frankly, if you want to tell me about how you got reactivated, great. I would love to share that, but I can't be everything. It's just not, I don't have the capacity. I have a lot of businesses that I'm starting up. I have a lot of things that I'm getting off the ground. I have a course that I'm selling. I have my own DSP that I'm building. I'm trying to get rid of trucks right now. I have some other things that I have in the works for everybody. I'm trying to promote gig tax. If you haven't worked with gig tax yet to get your taxes done, what are you doing? It's April 1st. Get your taxes done. And I will continue to support you guys via social media and my website as much as I physically can. But again, I can't be everything. Either way, that's really all I have for this video. Again, my main focus was with the live stream tonight. If you have a chance, go check that out. I will just keep it short this time, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with a more refined video.